So I was the only girl child in our house, looked after like a princess. And but I was from Kolhapur, so got married at the early age and directly came to Goa, where I didn't know a word of English to speak. Even anybody saying how are you, I just used to say like this. That's all. So my father-in-law was an English teacher. He taught me English, and then my husband slowly he was a high-profile manager in MTNL. So there were a lot of servants in the house, but still he tried to teach me some cooking. I didn't know anything. Then after that, 43 years ago, I learned driving, and he used to tell me to drive to Kolhapur, Pune, and I used to get angry. What kind of a man he is? Like everything he's making me do, but I didn't know what God had in plate for me ahead, and here I'll stop. But after that, suddenly on 15 December 1994, my husband fell ill. That was my son's birthday, and he was bedridden for 8 years. And that moment, I didn't know what to do and how to look after 3 kids. I have 2 daughters, 1 son, and no degree, diploma. I was just 10th standard girl from Kolhapur and got married at the age of 16. I just had a art of cooking, so and then when I go to see, there was no bank balance. He was more than Karna, so there was absolutely nothing, 100 rupees bank balance in bank. I sold my Mangalsutra on that day and started selling door to door masala for 200 rupees. After that, I got one tiffin order from Verna Electronic City, and after that, 1 month after that, I started getting all the companies with me. So I was serving to whole Verna Electronic City. Then again, one turn was there that on 18th March 2002, my husband expired in the hospital, and doctor told me that he is no more. And I looked at my daughter and told her, go home. There were no mobile phones that time. I said, go home and see that all the food is gone out from the home, and you come back, then we'll take the body. So, sorry, she came by 12:30, Mama, everything is out. We put his body in ambulance, we took, and after that I cried. Because I had no time to cry. If I cry and mess up with all the companies will go, and my 3 kids again was back of my mind, so I couldn't do that. After that, yes, with all that, my children also learned very hard way what is life. Again, I'll make it short. Then I was in MasterChef season first with Akshay Kumar and all. So again, some orders and all, I couldn't continue, but from there I got a MasterChef tag in front of my name. After that, like every luxury hotel from all over India were calling me for Goan food festivals, wherein I started making lot of money. I did a French movie in Goa. Means now that name had gone everywhere, even in film industry. So it reached France, and they came to meet me and they said, we want you to do 45 days shooting for French movie. And they knew about my timing. I was very particular. I wouldn't feel sad or bad to tell that in that 45 days I made 25 lakhs profit. So after that, yes, now everywhere I was calling, and I had lot of money, so I wanted to give it back to society. So I am a president for Hemophilia Goa chapter. I am a president for Giant Saheli Group Madgaon, and only chef who is allowed, who is permitted to cook for armed forces in Kargil, for 800 armed forces every year in July, on 25th July, that is previous day of 26th July, I cook for armed forces. Now we are in a talk going on every day. So that was like, my father was a freedom fighter, so that blood is that kind of blood. Now I am not much worried about the business. Everything is set. Everybody, my daughter is married, son is married. I have 3 grandchildren. Elder one is in 10th standard now, grandchild. So everything is set. So I'm giving it back to society, back to armed forces. And I'm meeting all the Kargil war heroes, families, giving them lot of whatever I can do for Veer Naris who are not getting their pensions or whatever I can do for them, I am doing now. Still, I should say, I was though there was no degree diploma of any culinary institute, I was chosen among 10 best chefs to lead India to Spain for Madrid fusion classes. I was worried about all these things. I don't know. But yes, this is the story, and this Goa government calls me for self-help group talk. That time I have to talk for 45 minutes and 15 minutes they have to question me, but there are no questions, only tears come. But then I tell them not to cry because I stood up, you stand up the way I have stood. More? Finish?
Have to follow the presentation.
I didn't look at that. I didn't look at that. Yes, last year after Bipin Rawat sir was no more, Southern Command Upendra Trivedi sir and his wife really loved what happened from Dras. I was supposed to cook in Dras. I was supposed to cook in Dras. I was in Kargil and I had to travel 2.5 hours to come to cook in Dras. And I get a call from Major Chiranjeevi, ma'am, where are you? I said, I am on the way, you don't worry, I will deliver at 5:30 whole food. He said, no, stop it. You go back to Kargil. I said, what happened? No, it was raining heavily here, so we are shifting everything to Kargil. When we reach, we will call you. And literally 3 o'clock they reached in rubbles, those stones and all. We were standing, and 1 liter water bottles. With that, I cooked for 800 people, and still I delivered it at 5:30.
Guys, please give it up for Savita. What an inspiring story.